ACO CivicDrain channel is perfect for light to medium duty traffic applications and is manufactured using Viennite, ACO's high-strength, recycled polymer concrete material. Each channel comes complete with a corrosion-resistant black composite hill guard grating. And being ACO, they have a full range of accessories designed to aid simple and fast installation no matter what the build. Let's learn some more from Katie in the ACO Academy.
Hi, the features and benefits of CivicDrain include
CE marked and fully certified to load class C250. Heel guard gratings with 8mm slots. Protective galvanised steel edge rails for improved strength. Anti-shunt prevents grating movement once installed. ACO Drain Lock grating. This barless locking device allows quick and simple installation of gratings. Knockout for connection to 110mm PVC-U pipe via drain union. Male and female channel connections to aid accurate installation. Profile improves speed of water and promotes self-cleansing. Applications include domestic landscaping, public landscaping, car parks.
Find out more at aco.co.uk.